Meet Sam from Complex Support Coordination. He's a NDIS Support Coordinator. This is a day in his life. His day starts early by visiting his client Ron to check how he's getting on. Ron tells Sam his motorized wheelchair is malfunctioning. Sam solves the problem immediately by calling a repairer and also arranging an interim replacement wheelchair. Ron is relieved. Then Sam meets a NDIS planner and his client John to discuss funding. Sam supports John to skillfully present evidence and the planner decides to increase John's funding. John is very pleased. As he's leaving the meeting, Sam receives a call from his client Susie, who's been admitted to hospital as an involuntary mental health patient. Sam goes to the hospital and meets the treating psychiatrist. Sam discusses Susie's needs and shares a wellness recovery action plan that he and Susie had made prior to admission. The psychiatrist and Sam begin working on a plan to discharge Susie as soon as possible. Sam informs Susie, who is overjoyed. Then Sam meets his next client Ted. Sam is working on his assistance dog application. It's complex and Ted is grateful for Sam's expertise. Learn more about what Sam does.